Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get prisoners in lands of jail. Managing prisoners in lands of jail depends on your facility capacity and overall prison development. First, check your current prisoner limit, which is displayed at the top section of the screen alongside your staff count. If your capacity is full, you won't be able to take in additional prisoners. To increase this limit, focus on upgrading the warden's office. A certain upgrade level raises your maximum prisoner capacity. Keep in mind that not every upgrade immediately increases the limit, but progressing through higher levels will eventually expand your allowance. Another important factor is your prison cells, as each cell contains beds that determine how many prisoners you can house. Building more cells naturally increases available beds, while upgrading existing cells further boosts their capacity. To steadily grow your prisoner population, balance both warden's office, upgrades, and cell development. By expanding facilities and monitor capacity limits, you can efficiently manage and accommodate more prisoners in your prison. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.